Hey, Miss Mary, this is Rose at 425 tonight. Hey, Mary. Hey, this is Rose. I had a little bit of change of plan at the last minute. They've asked me to work. What I need to know is, and if not, we can still do it. It's no big deal. But I have to work until 6 o'clock tomorrow. And I thought Amber got off at 6:30, but it turns out she was off at 4 tomorrow. So I was wondering if you didn't have anything going on, if possibly you could do the lunch after work and maybe give her a ride home. Yeah. You got something going on at 4? Oh, yeah, okay, then that won't work. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Well, let's just leave it as it is then. Just 11 o'clock at Pizza Hut, did you say? Yeah, let's just leave it there.